Unigroup presents Stride, your fleet technology application. Welcome to Stride, your fleet technology app. Stride allows van operators to quickly and easily manage orders. This 2-minute movie shows you how to access the app and log in. To download the app, open your browser and go to products.unigroup.com. Enter the same ID and password that you use to access the Unigroup portal, the U. Van operators use the same ID and password as used on the Van Operator Gateway portal. Select the Learn More button in the Stride area of the page. Select Download App. Review the information and select Accept to indicate that you have read and agree with the information. Select the appropriate download for your device. Select the Stride app from your device. Select Allow so that Stride can send you alerts and notifications. Select Sign in to Stride. Select Continue to allow Stride to use unigroup.com to sign in. Enter the same user ID and password that you use for the Van Operator Gateway portal and then select Continue. Select the button to confirm that you are not driving a vehicle during app usage. The system automatically logs you out after 15 days of inactivity. Password resets are handled in the Van Operator Gateway portal. That completes this topic. If you experience technical issues, contact the IT Support Center at 800-825-9585. For general process questions, contact the Fleet Technology Support Team at 800-283-5734. And thanks for watching. Unigroup presents Stride, your fleet technology application. Welcome to Stride, your fleet technology app. Stride allows van operators to quickly and easily manage orders. This 4-minute movie shows you how to navigate from the menu. On the dashboard is a list icon that some people refer to as a hamburger menu. When training on a new feature is available, you'll see a pulsing red indicator on the hamburger menu. This slide-out menu gives access to some important app functionality. Just below your name, you see your driver rating by order type, household goods, and logistics. Let's take a look at order history. Order history allows you to access previously completed orders. Select an order to view order detail, which of course includes the paperwork, memo pads, distribution information, and all information about that shipment. Touch the magnifying glass icon to search by order number. Now we'll select Messages. From Messages, enter an agency number or email address in the To area, enter a subject and message content, and then select Send Message to send a message from within the app. If you need agency address or contact information, select Agent Lookup. You can search by agent name or number, or by city and state. Touch the screen to close the keyboard. Select Search Agent Directory. Touch Clear to go back and search for another agent. Touch the menu icon to return to the menu. There are several things that you can do from the Settings menu. If you see a number displayed on your settings selection, it indicates how many releases out of date your app is. Select which calculation you'd like to see on your order distribution for hauling. Touch the button to turn it on, as indicated by the green background. You can choose Estimated Distributable Line Haul, which includes all components of the distributable line haul, or you can choose to see just the estimated hauling portion of the distributable line haul. For assistance in determining your estimated payment, enter the distribution percentage of line haul to set your percentage of revenue. If your app is not up to date, this displays how many release versions you are behind. Tap here to download the version with all the latest features. If you are troubleshooting an issue with the IT Support Center, they may ask you to touch this to clear your cache and resync with backup data from the cloud. To see the recent updates to the Stride app, select Release Notes. Touch the arrow in the upper left corner to go back to Stride. Alternately, you can choose to select the Stride app from the home page on your device as well. Touch the button to indicate that you are not driving. From within the app, the dashboard, loads, and alerts are always available at the bottom of the screen. Let's take a look at alerts. Touch an alert message to indicate that the message has been received. The red circle will no longer display, and the message indicator number is updated. To delete an alert, swipe from right to left and then select Delete. Use the feedback feature to send your ideas, questions, or comments about Stride to QDivision at Unigroup. Type a message in this area. You can choose to take a screenshot or attach a photo from your device's gallery by selecting one of the options here. Select the paper airplane icon to send the message to the Stride team. Touch the X to exit without sending. Select Training to see some feature tips. A red label that says New displays by any content you haven't yet seen. Select any topic displayed on the list to see the training tips. Swipe through each screenshot and touch the Done button, which resets all the red indicators. If you are asked what version of the app you are running, your version displays here at the bottom of the menu. Select the Logout button to sign out of the app. Select OK. That completes this topic. If you experience technical issues, contact the IT Support Center at 800-825-9585. For general process questions, contact the Fleet Technology Support Team at 800-283-5734. And thanks for watching. Unigroup presents Stride, your fleet technology application. Welcome to Stride, your fleet technology app. Stride allows van operators to quickly and easily manage orders. This 3-minute video shows you how to review and accept or reject loads and how to use the van operator availability and labor hotline features. The dashboard displays all current loads that you've previously accepted. In this example, you see 2 logistics orders, Dodge and IMS Health, and 1 household good order for Ralph Wilson. At the bottom of the screen, the loads icon indicates we have 2 shipments for review waiting to be accepted or rejected. A blue bar indicates assigned orders that have already been accepted. An orange bar indicates orders waiting to be reviewed for acceptance. Select a shipment to review the information. Scroll to view all information. Items with a right-facing arrow indicate more information is available upon selection of the item. Select the order to see order details. Scroll to see all information. Distribution details are available within the order detail as well as from the available loads screen. Return to the previous screen using the arrow in the upper left-hand corner. We'll go back to the available load screen to accept this shipment. You may need to scroll down to see the Accept and Reject buttons. From here, accept or reject the load. The load is now assigned. It also displays on the loads list as assigned. In addition to accepting loads, you can also use the van operator availability feature to let Unigroup know that you're available for some extra work. Select the Share Availability button. Touch the button that describes when you are available, tomorrow, for the next 2 days, or for the next 3 days. Enter the city and state of your location during the available time. Touch the type of order you want to work, household goods, logistics, or touch both of them. Select the button that describes the kind of work you're available to perform. Any? I need fill out. I can lead a load or delivery crew. I can be a laborer, or I can move a trailer. Indicate if Unigroup should contact your affiliated agency first before offering you work tasks. If you have space to fill in your trailer, indicate the number of available cubes. Select the blue clipboard button to send your availability details. Your information is sent and you'll be contacted if there's work that matches your availability. Another feature available from the load screen is the Labor Hotline. Touch the Call Labor Hotline button to display a number that you can tap or dial to request certified labor. That completes this topic. If you experience technical issues, contact the IT Support Center at 800-825-9585. For general process questions, contact the Fleet Technology Support Team at 800-283-5734. And thanks for watching. Unigroup presents Stride, your fleet technology application. Welcome to Stride, your fleet technology app. Stride allows van operators to quickly and easily manage orders. This 9-minute video shows you how to complete the Arrive at Origin task and use documents and signatures to gather electronic signatures, scan paper documents to Transdocs, email documents, reference documents related to a shipment, and print documents. Let's work with the household goods order for Ralph Wilson at Origin. The tasks that we need to complete at Origin are displayed in order. We must complete each task before the next task is activated for completion, with the exception of documents and signatures, capture inventory, and service capture. We start by indicating we've arrived at the Origin location. Roll through the date and time selections to choose the correct arrival information and then select the Send Arrival Info button. The first task is now marked as completed, and the bar below the customer's name and location indicates the tasks at Origin have been started. The Capture Inventory task is a shortcut to the Flex app. If you've downloaded Flex, touching this task opens the order within the Inventory app. If you haven't downloaded Flex, touching Capture Inventory directs you to sign on to the Flex Products page where you can download the app. Next, we'll work with Documents and Signatures. Documents and Signatures allows you to do many things, such as gather document signatures, scan paper documents to automatically send them to Transdocs, email documents, and view and print documents related to the order. The number of documents displays here and includes documents that need to be signed or were signed electronically, any documents that were scanned using Stride, and any reference documents for this order that are in Transdocs and can also be viewed here. Documents available for e-signature are indicated by the pencil icon. You must complete the Arrive at Location task before the customer can electronically sign documents. Obtain the customer's signature for the bill of lading. The document displays. You can zoom in on any part of the document by using your thumb and pointer finger to expand an area of the screen. Touch the pencil icon to allow the customer to sign the document. Please note that valuation changes cannot be handled here. Use a paper copy of the bill of lading if valuation changes are applicable on load day. The app automatically goes from portrait to landscape mode, and the customer can sign the screen using their finger. Use the Clear button to erase the signature and sign again. Use the Accept Signature button to save the signature to the document. The green check indicates that the document has been sent to Transdocs. Next, we'll select the High Value Inventory form. Select the Edit button to add items to the form. This existing item is missing a tag number. I'll add it in the box and then select the Add button to add another item. When all high-value items are entered, select the Submit button. Touch the pencil icon to allow the customer to sign on your device. The customer uses their finger to sign, and then you select the Accept Signature button. The van operator also signs and selects the Accept Signature button. The Gypsy Moth form follows the same process. Touch Add Documents to scan paper documents and automatically send them to TransDocs. This includes documents that do not require a customer signature, as well as those that were signed in a paper format rather than electronically in Stride. Some examples of documents you may want to capture are third-party receipts, letters of authorization, permits, etc. The Documents and Signatures task remains accessible for adding documents up to 24 hours after delivery. Select the appropriate document type. This is used to index the document in TransDocs. There is an Other selection at the bottom of the list to allow you to enter your own document type if none of the displayed selections apply. Place the document you are scanning on a dark-colored flat surface and touch Scan Document. Follow the tips on the screen to line up your document in the scanner. The scanner will automatically scan when it's aligned, but you can also manually initialize the scan by touching the button. If the document has more than one page, you can continue to take scans until all pages are accounted for. If you need more light, touch the flash option. I accidentally pressed the button after the auto scan, and now I have two scans of the same form as indicated by the number of pages displayed. No problem, I can delete the one I don't want. Touch the number of pages to review and save the scan. Review the scans. Remember, if it's a multi-page form, you'll want to see all the pages here. In this scenario, I have two scans of the same form, so I'm going to select one to delete. We accessed this screen with the intention to delete, but notice that you could also edit your scan by selecting a filter or color button. You could also use this icon to crop or rotate the document. If you make changes to a document you are saving, then touch the Done button when you're finished. To delete, touch the trash can icon. Touch Yes to confirm the deletion. When the scan or scans are the way that you want them, touch Save. The document is sent to TransDocs, and you can view it here by touching View All. Reference documents are indicated with an icon that looks like a sheet of paper with the folded corner. These documents were placed in TransDocs outside of Stride. All documents can be viewed by touching the Documents row. Select the printer icon to print the document. Select a printer, the appropriate number of copies, and printer options. If the document is multiple pages, by default all are selected to print. Scroll through the print preview on this screen and tap to deselect any page that you don't want to print. Stride can utilize any printer the device recognizes, whether that's through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a physical cable. If the device can see it, Stride can use it. Select Print. Close the document by selecting the X in the left corner. Touch the email link to verify, enter, or update an email address. The app automatically sends copies of the signed documents to the email address entered. To update the email address displayed, touch the X. Type the new email address and then touch Done on the keyboard. A green check mark displays when the address matches email address criteria. Select Update Email. A success message displays. You can use the Email Documents button at any time to manually send all the documents at once to the email address entered on the screen. To close the screen, touch the X in the upper left corner. Use the back arrow to go back to the task list. The green check indicates all documents are signed and available in TransDocs. You can still access the task to scan, view, or print documents. For details about service capture for an electronic AR-23, see the Services video. Depart from location tasks and destination tasks are demonstrated in the Wait Ticket movie. That completes this topic. If you experience technical issues, contact the IT Support Center at 800-825-9585. For general process questions, contact the Fleet Technology Support Team at 800-283-5734. And thanks for watching.